Welcome to the ServiceNow Knowledge Base training. In this course, we will cover the following topics: knowledge base benefits, best practices, knowledge versus technical knowledge base, types of knowledge articles, and how to create your very own knowledge article. Let's begin. There are three critical areas of the benefits of using a knowledge management system. This includes increased user satisfaction by providing consistent and proven resolutions to issues and requests, promoting knowledge sharing among agents as well as the end users, and investing in harvesting their knowledge from various communities, as well as driving continuous improvement by filling knowledge gaps and creating new content accordingly. There are 8 best practices for writing effective knowledge-based articles. Number 1. Don't make assumptions. Write your help desk articles imagining that the people reading them are complete beginners. Skip the advanced terminologies and jargon. Number 2. Use anchor links in lengthy articles. Avoiding assumptions means that you may sometimes have to write a lengthier knowledge-based article to make sure you're explaining every step of the process. It helps to include a table of contents with anchor links. Number 3. Make content easy to skim. Another tip for lengthier knowledge-based articles: don't intimidate your reader with a wall of text. When solutions aren't easy to find, contacting support will be the customer's immediate next step. Number 4. Make the content easy to read. Consider your reader's goals. Is the article about learning the ins and outs of the product? They're curious? Or fixing a bug or problem, and they're frustrated? Be sure to adjust your tone accordingly. Number 5. Organize your article logically. Unless you want customers floundering around like a fish out of water, here are some principles to live by: chronological order, order by difficulty, and be mindful of workflow. Number 6. Use links strategically. Including links in your knowledge-based articles is a great way to direct customers to other details and instructions they may need. Number 7. Stick with simple article titles. Titles should be kept straightforward as possible. Restrain your creativity in favor of clarity. When stuck, ask yourself, what might a customer search for? Number 8. Use images to save time and create clarity. When you're walking customers through how to do something in your system, you can write fewer words and make your instructions clearer by including screenshots. Let's log into the system. Go to arlingtonva.service-now.com. Now that we are in the ServiceNow system, type knowledge in your search navigator. Under the knowledge module, go down to Home Page. This is the knowledge base homepage. Here we have the knowledge library, where articles are viewable to users in the self-service portal, and the technical knowledge base library, where articles are viewable only to fulfillers in the fulfiller view. Directly below, you see that we have columns for featured content, most useful, and most viewed. Let's create an article. Select which library we want our article to be housed in. For this first example, we will do knowledge. We will select the designated template of standard. Click Next in the upper right-hand corner. At the very top, you'll see a ribbon that shows you the workflow when you're creating and submitting an article. Directly below that is the article number, who the author is, and which knowledge base you selected in a previous step. You may also select a category to have your article be a part of. If a category does not exist that's applicable to the article you are creating, you can create a new category. Click OK. Next, you will enter the date in which you want it to be valid for. Typically, articles are valid for up to 1 year. Immediately following, we're going to enter in the short description field the title of your article. Be sure to use specific words that pertain to your article. In the meta field, use keywords for users to search by in order for them to help find your article. In the article body, in the top ribbon, there are typical features on how to change your font, add pictures, attachments, or links. You may also click on this icon to expand the view so you have a larger working area. Enter all of your information as required. Minimize this view. Double check that your content is there. You may also add an attachment if desired by clicking the paperclip at the top. Be sure to click on the display attachment box if you have attached files. Once complete, be sure to click Submit. Once you've submitted, go back to your Search Navigator under the Knowledge module, click on Unpublished. Find your unpublished article and click on the link. Here, you may view a preview of your article to see what it will look like. If any changes are required, click Edit. Modify your article accordingly as needed. And proceed to click Publish. Once you click Publish, this article will be sent to the Knowledge Base Manager for review. You can see that the workflow has been updated to In Review. Let's create another article. This time we want the article to be in the Technical Knowledge Base library. We will create a how-to, click Next. Similar fields are also in this template. Select the appropriate category. You may also select a scheduled publish date if you want others on your team to review prior to the article being live. Enter a short description, which is also the title of your article. You will also enter an introduction for this how-to article. In the second box, this is where you're going to input your instructions. Both fields have the ribbon to modify text, add pictures, hyperlinks, and more. You may also add an attachment, again, if desired. Click Submit. Navigate to the Unpublished folder and click on your article. You may view a preview of your article and click Edit if any changes are required. Make your updates as necessary. You may even attach a picture if you would like to include a visual in your how-to article. You may select files from your desktop or your OneDrive. Once complete, click Publish. View Published Knowledge Base Articles. Go to the Publish folder and select your article. There's one last way to upload articles to the system. We can import articles if you already have documentation. Select the knowledge base in which the article will belong to, the category it will belong to, and either browse by files or drag and drop a document into this field. Once done, click Import. Click on the link to your knowledge article. This takes you to the preview of what the article looks like, and you may edit if needed. Make any necessary modifications, such as keywords or updating the title, or any formatting that's required for the article, and click Publish. This article will now be reviewed by the knowledge base managers.